If you are watching this video by mistakenly, or if you are clicked the video by mistakenly, first of all, congratulate yourself, because this video is meant for you, or this is just like something a universal guidance has brought you to watch this video. So make yourself congratulate that you are on spiritual awakening process. Or if you are thinking that you are not, then your consciousness has called you to this video because something is going to be happen in your life that's kind of a spiritual awakening. So this video will bring you a lot of things that will be very, very eye-opening. And also, if you are on a spiritual awakening journey, then this video is going to give you so much knowledge about how to go through a right guidance, right path, so that the spiritual awakening will be more smoother or happier, or also it will just you will not feel like lost in the spiritual awakening. So if you see me right now, then I was going through spiritual awakening journey 4 years before, and today what you see me as a complete transformation from the previous 4 years who I was. Namo Himalaya, I am Priya, mindset transformation and manifestation coach. Today in this video, I'm going to give you 9 things you must do if you are on spiritual awakening journey, so that you can actually heal yourself in a very, very fastest way. Also, you will get to know how to become more conscious, how to become more aware in this spiritual awakening journey, so that your spiritual awakening journey will be little bit smoother than tough. Comment me below which part of the world tuning from, if you are going through some kind of confusion, depression, or spiritual awakening journey, if you are trying to find any questions, or if you are trying to find any answers, then just also you can ask me. The first thing first, what you need to do in the spiritual awakening journey is, first thing is you need to see in which place you are in. Is it actually helping you? That means if the place is so much chaotic, or the people are surrounded by that place, if they are not supportive, then you should understand that now you need more solitude. So you need to change a place somewhere, either a holiday home or somewhere you feel like going, or some people who actually, or relationship who actually can be supportive in your spiritual awakening journey. Even though they don't know about this journey, they still will not be like a judgmental or confused or something. So it's always to be with some people who are actually supportive in this journey. If you are such in a place like where you really feel so much loneliness, then you just go to some place where actually people will be there and they will not actually disturb you. Second thing you need to do is start waking up early in the morning. If you are a person sleeping till 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, something like that in the morning time, first thing you need to do is start waking up. Put the alarm on phone, and by 5 o'clock, something like that. If you can, I was doing like I was waking up by 3 o'clock morning. But yeah, if you really want to change your life, or if you want to make your this spiritual awakening a little smoother, then start waking up early in the morning. Third thing what you need to do is you must take care of yourself. You must take care of yourself means you must take care of your time. You take enough time for yourself. Start paying attention to your body, what you are feeling, how your body is feeling, what your body is trying to tell you. Because in my journey, what I was going through is I was having a lot of ache on my spinal cord and on my right foot ankle. It was so painful that I was not able to even walk straight way. So it took almost 7 months to heal. And all the things what I did is I just did some healing energy and some meditation, visualization. So yeah, those are the things I'm going to tell in the next part. And but the thing is, start taking care of yourself. You need to take care of your skin. You need to take care of your all organs, because this time is such a period you will Also some people also have like digestive issues or something, so you need to take care of yourself so much. Fourth thing what you need to do is, when you are waking up early in the morning, I'm not telling that just to wake up and sit, no. When you wake up in the morning, if you feel like sitting and reading a book, you just can read a book, or else do some meditation, guided meditation or mindfulness meditation, because it is going to be very very helpful for you. Because in this meditation means, in my way, my perspective is about meditation is breathing. Because we all are becoming exhausted, stressed or worried because we are forgetting to breathe properly. So, and those makes us so much stressful. So it's important when you wake up in the morning, just sit yourself calmly in such a place or some comfortable place where you actually put some guided meditation on YouTube. Also you can see my guided meditation on my YouTube channel, and also you can do your meditation, so that you will see a lot of changes after doing meditation. Fifth stage, you can actually go through several personal development training or some spiritual gurus or mentors. So what happens, they are having some experience before you, they have achieved result before you, so they can actually guide you right things, right? Because the spiritual awakening journey is so much confused, depressive, lots of turmoil. So it's very very easy if you are going through someone's guidance. It will be not much confused, it will help you. That's why I, even in my journey, I was going through several personal development trainings, and also I was going through a Himalayan monk, and also I went to a monastery, stayed there for a few days. So it's always nice to be with someone who is already experienced, they can give you actually right guidance. Sixth thing you need to do is stay with some people, or find a group or community where actually similar people are there like you. Like there are so many Facebook groups where you will find like spiritual awakening people, these souls and all. So what will happen when you will be with the group of people, the similar vibe, similar frequency people, you will see you will see the same pain they are also going through. You will feel like a home, you will not feel like you are alone. So it's very important to be with some such people who can actually understand what you are going through, because normal people or family people, they don't understand all of a sudden what is happening with you, what is going through in your life. Even in my case, some people felt like I was going crazy, but I didn't know what to share with the other people, what I was going through. I understood that these are the things happening. It is not everyone is experiencing. It's very difficult to make them understand what I was going through. Like you can also feel the same, right? If you're feeling, just comment me below. So it's very important to be with such people who are actually going to give you such healing energy, such guidance, and also they can actually be supportive. Seventh thing what you need to do is start paying gratitude. Gratitude practice can actually change your life. It's one of my favorite one as well. Every morning when you wake up, after you are doing, when I say you can read a book, you can do actually meditation. So after meditation, start paying gratitude, because it's very important in this life journey to pay gratitude. This awakening journey is so confused, so depressed that but a soul goes through a lot of negative energies. Because everything is surfacing. It has to. It is just everything is seeing so blur. Nothing is going feeling like good. So it's very important to pay gratitude. Whatever we have, whatever you have, whatever you are actually going through, the more you practice gratitude, you will see a lot of changes in your life, because your focus is going through a positive direction. So when your focus is on positive direction, even though there will be a lot of negativity, but it will start dissolving and you will see a lot of changes. If you are finding some informative from this gratitude practice, if you are finding some result, please comment me below. That will be also helpful for someone. Eighth one is you can actually do some painting, some kind of journaling. You can actually do some kind of cooking, whatever is your habit, actually hobby or habit, you just do that. But if you have such kind of bad habit like cigarette smoking or something like porn watching movie or something, then actually you need to stop that, because these are not going to be helpful. Instead, they are actually making you more and more addictive. So it's very important to understand that what are the things actually can build you up in this destructive time, that can actually grow you fastest way. So start watching some spiritual awakening gurus advice, or some like Indian bhajans, some mantra chantings, 7 chakra clearing. All those things you can actually do by yourself. Listen to it. There are so many things, so many sources are available everywhere. It's very easy. So instead of paying something into negative, just start paying in a positive way. Ninth, the last one is you need to heal yourself. You need to heal yourself means you need to let go of your past people, let go of a past memory, and let go of the past situation which actually did not serve you for your highest good. You're still feeling always like emotionally drained by thinking about the same thoughts, same painful emotional stories, same traumas. It's very important to let go of those memories. The more you will let go, actually the fastest you will grow in the consciousness journey, and the fastest you will actually cover the spiritual awakening journey. And in my case, what I can say is, when I was letting go, I was seeing a lot of people actually coming into my life in the similar frequency, similar vibe people, beautiful people, because my past was it was not serving for my growth, and I saw a lot of people were always my past, like always blaming, confused, indecisive, worried. Thus, I was also going through the same. So when I was letting go those people, the new people entered in my life who were actually very, very productive, very, very focused, joyfulness. So I felt like, wow, this is such a beautiful world. This is such a beautiful thing is happening to me. So this is the power of letting go, which was actually not taught in our schoolings. And that I came to know in Jain masters from the Buddhist monastery when I was living during my spiritual awakening journey. So these are the 9 steps I already revealed you, which are going to be very, very helpful for your spiritual awakening period. And make sure that you subscribe my channel. If you found some informative from this video, then also comment me below which part actually resonating with you, and hit the like button and the bell button for our upcoming video, and see you our next video. Thank you so much.